Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I've got everything going right here. I'm gonna make a super easy pasta and it's really good. So let's get started. Look at this, it comes out so good. Let's make it. To a hot skillet, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, I'm gonna add half of a chopped onion and I'm gonna cook my onion for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add 1 minced garlic clove. And I'm going to cook my garlic for another minute. Next, I'm going to add 1 jar of passata. Basically, it is just a really high-end Italian tomato sauce. If you want to use regular tomato sauce, you can. This is 24 ounces. Now, some people put a little bit of water in these jars. I just covered it and put it upside down until the rest of the tomato sauce came down, and I added it later. I didn't want to add extra water. Put the cap back on and set it to the side. Stir everything to combine. Simmer the sauce for 15 minutes. After a while, I added the extra sauce that was still in the jar. Let it keep simmering on a low heat. Here's some boiling water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and my pasta. The original recipe said 10 ounces of pasta. I didn't think it was enough, so I added more pasta. It might depend on the pasta that you're using. Cook your pasta according to the package directions, and then reserve 1 cup of the pasta water. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper to my sauce. And I mixed all that in. Now I'm coming in with 3 fresh basil leaves. And I have it on a good source that you are not supposed to chop the basil. You're supposed to tear the basil. That is more authentic. If an Italian person sees you chopping it, they'll scold you. That's what I've heard. Now I'm going to stir everything together and continue simmering it, stirring it every so often. So now I have a bowl and I'm going to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese and half a cup of parmesan cheese. And I'm going to mix all that together. Okay, so the way this works is you add the pasta water little bit at a time, depending on how much you need, just to make it creamy. I think I only used about a 1/4 cup, but just keep it in reserve just in case you need more. So now I'm going to add my ricotta cheese mixture to my tomato sauce. And then I'm going to mix it together until it's completely combined. Now I'm going to come in with my pasta. And as I said, the original recipe said only 10 ounces of pasta. I added a little more than that because I used bow tie pasta. And then I added some garnish with extra basil leaf. I'm telling you, this was really good. I made this for a function and everybody gave me compliments. And it was really a basic recipe. Very tasty. So this is ricotta cheese tomato pasta. It's a really easy recipe and it came out delicious. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.